Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Doku Payment Acquirer in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module integrates Indonesia's leading payment gateway Doku into your Odoo platform, enabling businesses to accept secure online payments with ease. It supports a wide range of local payment methods including credit card, bank transfer, and e-wallets. This integration ensures real-time transaction processing, automatic order updates, and a smooth checkout experience for customers in Indonesia. Ideal for businesses targeting the Indonesian market, it enhances payment flexibility while maintaining security and operational efficiency within Odoo. So first of all, we will go into the website module. Here under configuration, we will go into the payment providers. Open that and here you will find a payment provider for Doku. Here you can see the payment provider Doku. Under that you need to enable the state. Right now I have selected test mode. After this you need to add the credentials such as client ID. Under that you need to add the client secret. Now after adding all these credentials, we will hop on into the home page. Here we will go into the shop and here we are going to add some products into the cart. So I will be adding customizable desk, and after this I will be adding drawer black. Click on add to cart and after that click on view cart. Here you will be redirected to review your order. Here you can see 2 products which we have added into our cart. After this click on checkout button and here you can see your delivery method is standard delivery. So we are going to confirm it. Now after this here you can see the payment method is Doku in here. So we need to select Doku and click on pay now. So here you can see your payment is being processed. Here you need to choose a payment method and add your card details. So I will be adding my card details in here, and under that I will be adding expiry date and also the CVV. After this we are just going to click on pay now. Here you can see your payment is processing. We need to wait for some time. And here you can see your payment will be processed in short time. Here you can see your payment is successful. Under that you can see the invoice number, total payment and payment channel. Now we will click on go to merchant and here you can see your payment has been successfully processed. Here you will be redirected to the thank you for your order page. Under that you can see your order number and in payment information you can see Doku and the total amount. Now after this we will go into the configuration and in payment transaction. Here you can see the payment transaction which we just created. Here you can see the reference. Under that you can see the payment and under that you can see the amount, payment method and the payment provider and every little detail regarding your payment in here. You can also see it is in confirmed state. If you click on the smart button on the sale order, you will be redirected to the sale order created by your transaction. Here you can see the customers. Under that in the order lines you can see your products and the standard delivery, and in the chatter you can see the history for your transaction in here. Now we will go into our Doku dashboard. Here you can see we have created our account in Doku. So in here we will go into the reports. Here you will find a menu for reports. We will go into the transactions and here you will be able to find all the transactions in here. You can see the invoice number, you can see the date and time. Besides that you can see the amount, payment method and status. Here you can see everything is updated. You can just click on it and open your transaction details. Under that you can see the customer details and also you can see the payment details and the card details in here. Now after this again we will go into our Odoo interface. We will go into the home page and we will go into the shop and again we will add some products into the cart. So I will be adding 3-seat sofa into our cart. Click on view cart And here you need to review your order, and if it is correct, just click on checkout. Here you can see the delivery method is standard delivery, so we are just going to click on confirm. Now in here we need to choose a payment method, so of course we will be choosing Doku as our payment method, and we will click on pay now. So here I am going to purposely enter the card details wrong. Here I am adding the wrong card number, and under that I will add the expiration date wrong also, and I will add the CVV. Now after entering all these details, we are just going to click on pay now. Now in here, as you know, I have entered the wrong card details purposely, so here the payment won't be done. It will throw us a validation error. So here you can see the payment is failed. Under that you can see the invoice number, and you can see the total payment amount. Now if you click on retry payment, you will again be redirected to the payment details. So here you can enter your right card details and you can see the payment. And if we come into the Doku dashboard in transactions, if we come to the transaction, here you can see the invoice number, date, amount, payment method, and status is failed for the transaction for which we have entered the wrong card details. It will also be updated into our Doku dashboard, and if you open it, you can again see all the details such as transaction, customer, payment, and card details. Here you can see all the details. Now if we go into our Odoo interface, and if we go back to the merchant, here you can see the payment status is coming in red, indicating it has some error. You can see the message in here also. And if under configuration, we will go into the payment transaction. Here also you can see the payment transaction which we just created, and here you can see every little detail, and you can see the state of this payment transaction is an error. And under message you can see the message because of which this transaction is in error state. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.